Welcome to the video tour of the 2016 Wolf Pup 16FQ. This travel trailer is a perfect couples unit. It has 14-inch aluminum wheels, a huge awning along the front, and when we walk around the back, we have a flip-down storage rack. Let's take a little walk inside this model. When we walk right inside, we see the queen-size bed. It's a walk-around queen-size bed with tables on either side. And when we turn around, we have the galley kitchen with the fridge, 2-burner stove with overhead fan and microwave. Tons of storage in this unit along the top here and along the bottom under the sink. When we turn around, we have a large window. This table folds down as well to sleep another person. Again, overhead cabinet storage above with a stereo that's hooked up to the outside, speakers, and a CD player. Along the back of this unit, we have the washroom. In the washroom, we have our toilet and our sink, large vanity area there, and storage underneath, and tub and shower on the other side. So there's a quick walkthrough of the 2016 Wolf Pup 16FQ by Cherokee. So come into Campkins or visit us at www.campkins.com. It's worth the hurdle to Myrtle.